What is a relay? A relay is basically a switch, but it's a switch operated by remote control. A regular switch controls electrical current by connecting or breaking the path of either the positive side of circuit or the negative side of circuit. Relays are electrically operated switches that open and close the circuit by receiving electrical signals from outside source. They receive an electrical signal and send the signal to other equipment by turning the switch on and off. This is usually operated in a factory or any places that is unreachable for normal people or operators. For this part, I am going to show you a few safety and precautions tips that you can use before engaging in any lab activities that is concerning with electricity. Number 1. Power off. Make sure the power is off at the breaker before you start, and by using the voltage tester or multimeter to verify that. Wires or electrical connection are completely dead before you start working with the circuit. This will ensure your safety and no accidents will happen because you have avoided from touching any voltage source or current flowing. Next is using the right tools. Before begins, you must make sure that you have a plan placed in as to what outlets, switches, features that will be involved in your project. Other than that, you must always make sure that you replace all wiring that shows signs of deterioration or frying so that there will be no accident happens or shock. Lastly, you must never overload outlets or extension cords that can create a fire hazard. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Mukhrieyz, and in this video I am going to show you how does the relay work in a simulation. And as you can see here, we have already assembled all the parts that is needed to create the circuit for the relay. And this is all the components that have been used, and you can try it yourself in your own produce. So what we have here is a circuit that is connected to the normally open on the relay. And as you can see on this relay, all of these are attached to the battery, which is a 12-volt battery, and a push button and the ground. For the relay, we connected the circuit through the common wire and through the normally open wire or normally open circuit. So in this relay, we are going to show you how does the relay works, and by doing so we can start now. When I turn on the relay, we are going to see that the lamp is going to light up, and let's try out. Okay, so now the circuit has been on, and to see how does this function, we can see that our switch here on the relay are connected to the normally closed. So when we push the button, and the circuit is circulating through the coil, and the coil produces a magnetic field which attracts the switch that connects to the normally closed circuit. So as you can see, the light will light up when the switch is on. So that is all for me, and thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akif. Today I would like to share you how the relay work in this simulation in normally closed. Okay, as you can see, this is relay and has connect to the normally closed. and then we have a switch. The switch has closed and the current will flow to the lamp. And then if we start the simulation, the lamp will turn on because the current will flow over here and to the lamp. But when the relay turn on, the switch and on the relay will go to the normally open because the magnetic has adapt to the the coil will make a magnetic field and drag the switch to the normally open, this one. But the there has no current flow on this side, so the lamp will turn off. Okay, thank you. Okay, ini positif dan ini negatif. Dia akan masuk ke sini untuk bagi tahu mana satu supply masuk dan keluar. Okay, coil function sebab ada keluar bunyi walaupun drop. Okay, my name is Mukhrieyz and my friend.
My name is Mukhrieyz from class DMK1A. And today we are going to talk about the relay.
Okay, relay has using electromagnetic because inside the relay it has a coil and two connector, normally closed and normally open. If current flow in the coil, magnetic will produce and drag the switch to the normally open. If you want to know, this green wire is the common. Common is this, direct to the current AC current. The black wire is coil wire, positive and negative, and the red wire is normally closed like this. Oops, normally closed, and the blue wire is normally open.
Attach all this equipment, you must make sure that the switch is turned off so that it will ensure your survivability so that no accident will happen. Okay, so now we are going to on the power supply and the power source. So we are using the normally closed circuit. So as we can see, when we didn't turn on the power supply, the light will light up. But when you on the power supply, the coil will turn on and causing the current to not flow to this red wire.
We connect to the normally open. As you can see, if I open the AC source, the light doesn't open. And then after I open the power supply and click on this, the light is light. Okay, why? Because when this is power supply through the coil, if we open this, the current will flow in the coil, and this switch will attach to the magnetic and connect to normally open switch, and then it will flow to the light. Okay, that is.
That is all from us. Thank you.